Hi there, I hope you're well. I'm Beth, and the summer holidays have been so busy this year. We've been enjoying some mini family holidays, and I thought I would share some of my souvenirs with you. We went down to Edinburgh and saw the beautiful city and all the many Harry Potter themed shops there too. I bought this adorable mini hot air balloon in one of them just to decorate my studio with. Super cute. And I saw something else there too. It's a blind box Stranger Things capsule toy. It was the first time I'd seen them, so I had to get one. It's shaped like a little TV, and I'm hoping I can use it as a doll prop afterwards. It should have one of the characters, a cassette tape, and some art or character cards inside as well. I would love to get 11 or the Demogorgon, but we all know I'm here for the TV, so depending on how it looks, I might add some paint or weathering to make it more realistic. I also have another relevant parcel that arrived today too, so stick around to the end to see final shots of everything, what I do to the TV, and how I use it for the dolls. Okay, let's get these open. Okay, let's start with the capsule. Alright, we've got terrible plastic. Ooh, okay. Don't know if you can see the detail on the top there. It's got the kind of Vecna vines all over the sides and Stranger Things on the top. But how do I get into it? This box. So, okay. Oh, that's good. So for the TV, it does have a clear plastic bit, like so. So that's really good, and you can slide in whatever you want to be on the TV through a slot. Then we have all 11 characters that are available. Open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. And we've got maybe artwork that you can put in, like art cards, different ways to display it. Very nice. So what we got? Here's the rest of the TV. I like that. Very good. So we'll open it in order. Oh, it's the cassette tape is like a little envelope, paper envelope. Mixtape for You, 83. Oop. So this has clue cards. Hey, I found these really cool games. If you want to play, read the instructions below. So we've got like clues, a little puzzle to sort out there. And what's on the cards? I've got, let's see, Mike and Dustin. Oh, I think we put water on here. Help Jonathan develop his photo. Use water to reveal the image, so a little interactive thing to do there. And a checklist. Cool. So we've got this. One sticker reveal and one TV card. Okay. Yep. Open this up, just a little tape. So that opens out. And what we have, oh, that's nice. So we've got, for the TV, Stranger Things, and on the back is, oh, it's In the Den from season 1. Got that, and what we've got, Hawkins National Laboratory, US Department of Energy card. Peel back sticker to reveal art card. Oh, okay. So this sticky. So if I peel that away, oh, it's cute. Show you that one. Oh, I don't know who's done this artwork, but that's very cute. Of all the kids. Stick my sticker back now. There we go. And there's more you can get. Okay, next we have these 3 and 4. Something small in there. Don't know what it is. Oh, oh my gosh. It's like tiny little walkie-talkie. Small. Or a little mobile phone. Oh, I don't know. Tiny. And then number 4, which is nice design. You've sort of got the right way around and then the upside down. And something else. Props. Oh, and a flashlight. Excuse my crinkling there. So if you can see that. A little flashlight. Cute. And now for the figure itself. Some nice artwork. There we go. Oh, we got Mike. Oh, I see. Okay, so that might give it away which character you're going to get. So the accessories go with the character, I guess. Because Mike has his torch and his walkie-talkie. There we go. No, super cute. The massive hair. All right. And then we have got the rest of the instructions. There are some instructions for the cards, the clue cards, and it shows what the accessories are that go with each of the characters. Excellent. They are super cute. All right. Let's use this card to make the TV, here it is, make the TV look like a TV again. So you slide that in. That's pretty cool. Fits perfectly in the back. And just put it back together. Okay. I wasn't sure if these little bits at the back meant that there was going to be like a stand or anything, but it looks like it just sits flat like that. But yeah, there we go. It's a pretty cool TV. Obviously they were pretty chunky back in the day, so I think that might suit 1/6 scale. Go with the Blythes and the Barbies. I think that'll be all right, but we'll set up a little scene and just check it. But next I'll open up the other box that arrived today, which is related. Okay. This is something I ordered for myself when I wasn't feeling well, just a little pick-me-up. There we go. You can see how it's related. A little something for my daughter as well. But yes, my very own Hellfire Club shirt. There we go. Because I really loved Eddie Munson in the show, and the design is just super cool. So I'll have to wear that. There we go. Well guys, what do you think? Did you like how the TV came out? Are you a fan of the show? I really loved Eddie's storyline in this series and I can't wait to see the finale. I'll be back again soon with a Blythe doll sewing tutorial, so stay tuned and I'll see you again soon. Bye!